Azure's built-in personally identifiable information detection will not strip gender or race hints. It catches names, emails, and phone numbers cleanly. But demographic bias signals slip right through. This is for engineers building fair, automated resume screening. Azure AI language ships over 20 PII categories out of the box. We cover 3 things: what it redacts, the code, and the gotcha. That third one decides your whole architecture. Azure AI language exposes a PII recognition endpoint. You send text and get back typed entities with offsets. It returns person names, email, phone, address, and national ID numbers. Each entity carries a category and a confidence score. You can filter to only the categories you trust. Default confidence is decent, but tune the threshold per field. Here's the happy path for one resume. Extract raw text from the PDF first. Send chunks under 5,000 characters to the API. The service returns a redacted string with entities masked. Store that clean version for recruiters. Keep the original locked away for audits. One step in this flow still leaks bias. Coming up, the SDK makes this small. Create a client with your endpoint and key. Call recognize PII entities with a category filter. Read the redacted text straight off the result. Notice the filter narrows detection to the fields you want. That keeps false positives on legitimate resume content low. Now the gotcha I promised. Gender is not a PII category. Neither is age, ethnicity, nor graduation year. A pronoun like she led leaks gender instantly. Sorority membership, a photo, a birth year all signal demographics. Built-in redaction leaves every one of them intact. For real fairness, you need a second pass. So you weigh 2 tools. Azure AI language is fast, cheap, and deterministic. It charges per 1,000 text records with low latency. But it only knows fixed entity categories. Azure OpenAI catches fuzzy demographic hints from context. It costs more per token and can hallucinate. Rule of thumb: use PII detection for structured identifiers. Layer a large language model for the subtle bias signals. Wire them together like this. A resume lands in blob storage. A function triggers and calls AI language for identifiers. It passes that result to Azure OpenAI for demographic scrubbing. The anonymized copy goes to a separate container. Keep the original behind Key Vault access for legal audits. Recap: built-in PII detection is your fast, cheap first pass. It will not touch gender or demographic hints. Combine it with a language model for real fairness. Always keep the original for legal and audit needs. Prices and categories shift, so check the current Azure docs. Clone the pipeline from the description and ship it. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.